What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Yesterday we completed this bad girl. I'm still so freaking hyped on it. Still a long way to go, but you know what? It just looks so goddamn good that I'm inspired and I can't wait to get this thing back together. But we're starting today with the Fivo. God, I love this thing. So we're overhauling the boot first because this is what it looked like when I got it, and every time I open it, it just literally hurts my whole heart. So got a little bit of tidying up to do here basically. So what we'll do is just rip all this stuff out. I'm gonna wire brush in here and just make sure that's all good. There's no actual like bad rust, but it will get worse if you continue to leave it like that. That's just surface rust, so we'll get rid of that. And then I have all the nice new boot liners to go in to make this thing complete again. So I'm pumped just to put that together. Little things like this really satisfy me when it comes to building cars and doing stuff like that. So we're gonna get that done first. Get all this freaking sub wiring out of the way as well, because we ain't running no subs. Although it does have a pretty good speaker system in it. Kenwood's in the back, Sony in the front, tweeters as well. So, you know, shout out previous owner for hooking that up. But we'll get that done first. Then we're spraying Dan's engine bay in his S13. Look at this. Look at that masking job. That's a masterful job you've done there. Well done.
It's not good.
But it's only clear we're spraying, so there's no colour. But we're going to clear this. Look at that. He copied the Datsun engine bay after he saw how good it looked. So
It's going to look a little bit better, I reckon.
it's definitely not going to look better, but it might look okay. And then he's got like the sparkly back firewall that the car came with. The whole car, the engine bay was like that. And it looks okay on camera, but it looks poop in person. But the back firewall was like the better of the whole lot. So he kept it silver, and then once we clear everything, it actually should look phenomenal. So
All this front part was all like wrinkled and
like this.
reacted. And
See this? See all this reaction we've got here? Well, the front part was even worse than that, right? But he doesn't need to do this because all the front guards cover it, so no point really. So we're doing that. As always, a whole lot of stuff going on. Oh, and actually the Fivo, you guys saw I put 215/45/17 RE003s on the car, but the 215/50 on the front. I didn't realize it would be so chunky, and it's kind of bugging me, right? Because I just like to have everything looking nice and the same. And the fronts are chunky, but the rears look really good. Super happy with the fitment. So what I did, found a mad deal on Facebook Marketplace and actually just went and bought brand new tires for the car. So we've got brand new Salem semi-slicks that are going on. These should do us well for the first track day that we take the car out to, which is still probably at least a month away. Although we got really good news with the restrictions easing yesterday, so we've got our roadmap out of lockdown. So we will be taking the Fivo out sooner rather than later to a track day, which is going to be mad. So I need to chuck those tires on. We've just got so much going on, which is fantastic because we love working on cars. So let's get to work. I should have worn my 3M paint mask when doing that because that was gross. What we'll do, we'll lay down some fish oil in there, which is like rust, anti-rust stuff. Let it dry, and then another day I'll probably prime it or something just so that that rust can't get any worse. It's just surface rust, but it can be bad. So I wire brushed it, fish oil, and we'll leave it. I'll put the boot trim in and we'll just forget about it.
I think we should sparkle the boot. Well, like, the Evo doesn't have any sparkle right now.
The Evo's not getting any sparkle.
A little bit?
No, this is our not
Sparkle car.
sparkle car. Yes! Look at that, we got a boot again. Need to vacuum it, but I regret not getting this trim. This is the one that came with the car. I had the only trim in it, but that one looks real tidy. That's the one that I got from the wreckers. And that one looks budget, so maybe I'll go back and get the other side. Yes, look, I can put groceries in there now without worrying about them falling through the boot and the rust. That's good.
Perfect. Good grocery getter.
It is a good grocery getter. Still need to do the wiring stuff, tidy it up, but that's not right now. Fivo, yeah. All right, this thing's going up on the hoist so I can change the tires. Then we can pull Dan's car forward. The sun's just come out, so let's spray some clear.
it'll start hailing in the next 10 minutes.
Yes, as soon as we start spraying the clear, it'll hail. That's how life goes. Suss that out, looks awesome. All the tyres are mounted, exploded on, because I don't have a bee blaster. Mount them up to the car now. Ew, stoked. Gosh. Ew. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Needed that for sure. Oh, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Over the moon. Thoughts?
Definitely looks better.
Yeah, I know. That's a wrap for the Fevo for the day. Hell yeah. Not long now, we'll take it to get retuned, make 200 kilowatts, and then we'll hit the track.
Very exciting times.
I know, although we're probably only gonna make 180 kilowatts because that's enough power for this car. You, all right. Time to move the S13, even though I said that before, but we're actually gonna do it now. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? What is this? What look is this? All right, we're ready to spray, we're ready to spray Dan's S13. It's freezing cold, which is not ideal. I do not look like I've got a condom on my head. Yeah, so we're gonna spray the engine bay. Not the car, obviously. This still needs quite a bit of body work. But this thing's gonna look gangster once it's finished, so you know. A couple of you guys in the comments asked for more stuff on Dan's S13, so here it is. And we'll continue to vlog the build throughout. It's gonna look crazy once it's finished, so. Very
Also,
good.
let us know what you want to see and what you don't want to see.
That's true, yeah.
Because we can just film certain parts if you want, just little snippets of it.
We'll just film everything, all the content. Let's go. Well, would you look at that? We're getting quite good at this. That looks ridiculously good. Now we're buddies. We have the same engine bay colour.
We can be friends.
It looks good, huh?
I like it.
I think it's freaking awesome.
I like it.
I'm really getting quite confident with spraying clear. And just to think that that's a $20 spray gun as well. You can do some pretty good stuff with it.
It would have been good to spray this, for me to spray this so I can practice with the car, but
Oh yeah.
I don't have a mask.
Yeah. He didn't have a mask, I do, so safety first, but everything just come up freaking nice. Stoked. So next part of this car is all of the bodywork, which isn't a huge amount to be honest. It's just this rear quarter right here that's a little bit munched. Dan will take care of that. And then we've got a full kit, side skirts and everything for it. Nothing for the rears, we're gonna keep the rear stock. And it's gonna get sprayed gloss black. So this car will be for sale once we've finished it. So if anyone's looking to buy an S13.
Maybe, might like it.
Well, you'll like it too much. You already have one. You don't need two. You don't need two. Absolutely not. This is definitely going to be for sale. Watch this space. You guys will get to see the build, so you'll know exactly what it's all about and the quality and stuff of it. Ew. That's it for today's video, guys. It was a little bit of a weird one, to be honest. We just had a lot of stuff to do today. Sometimes you have real random things to do that can't really contribute to a video because they're a bit boring. But I did take the Fevo for a drive down to Springy Performance because I had to just yarn to them a little bit. It feels good, but it seriously wants to kill you with the amount of power that it has right now and the alignment that it has. It's like not aligned properly. I did do a bit of wire brushing on the cowling. It's pretty much all metal now, so I'm going to attack that I think tomorrow. Ideally I'll have this installed by like the end of the week because I just want to get it in so I can keep moving forward with the Datsun. But like I said, there's so many random things going on. We're just kind of switching between stuff. Jump onto lakesideco.shop and grab yourself something before I shut the site down. Support the channel by buying a sticker or something. I was working on the Fivo stickers today, so we should have a Fivo sticker out very soon, which will be sick. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Yeah, peace. Bye.